Job searching is exhausting. You're juggling 10 browser tabs at once, manually copying and pasting the same resume into form after form. You lose track of which company you emailed, miss follow-up deadlines, and have no idea where any given application actually stands. Meanwhile, job boards show you the same irrelevant postings you've already seen, and there's no single place that aggregates everything together. I built Job Seeker Intelligence, JSI, to fix all of that. It's an AI-powered job aggregator and application tracker, one platform that finds jobs from multiple sources simultaneously, scores each one against your resume, tracks every application through the hiring process, and helps you build a perfectly tailored resume for each role. Let me walk you through the product. This is the landing page. Notice the demo button. One click signs you into a preloaded demo account with real sample data, no registration required. Once you're in, this is the inbox. New jobs fetched in the last 24 hours from your saved searches. Each card shows the job title, company, location, salary range, and a match score. That score is computed by comparing the job's required skills against your career history. Hover over the score and you get a full breakdown. Which skills matched exactly, which partially matched, and which are missing entirely. Move to all jobs, your full job pipeline. Paginated, filterable by source, sortable by date or score. Jobs come from 5 sources running simultaneously: Dice, Himalayas, Remotive, Adzuna, and USA Jobs. Save a search with any criteria: keywords, location, remote preference, employment type, and JSI polls all providers automatically in the background every hour. The applications board is a Kanban view with 6 columns representing the hiring funnel: discovered, preparing, submitted, interviewing, offered, and rejected. Drag a card from one column to the next as you progress. Click any card to open the application detail panel. Add notes, log contacts, record interview rounds with dates and outcomes. The Resume Builder pulls data directly from your career history. You fill in your work experience once and then generate targeted resumes for any role. Choose from 17 professional templates. The ATS score panel shows you how well your resume will parse through applicant tracking systems. One-click export to PDF, ready to submit. And the career page. This is where it all comes together. Your complete career history with positions, bullets, and skills. The AI Career Audit analyzes everything and gives you a health score, identifies skill gaps, flags inconsistencies across your bullet points, and gives you specific, actionable recommendations to improve. Now let me show you how it's built. The backend is Spring Boot 3.4 on Java 21 with virtual threads enabled. Every provider HTTP call runs on a virtual thread. No thread pool configuration, no blocking, just lightweight structured concurrency. Under load testing at 1,000 concurrent users, response times stayed flat. Job data comes from 5 providers. 3 of them use MCP, the Model Context Protocol, which is the new open standard that lets AI agents call external tools. Dice and Himalayas both expose MCP servers. JSI sends a JSON RPC 2.0 tools/call request over HTTP streaming and parses the server-sent events response line by line in real time. No SDK required, pure Spring WebDriver with reactive streams. Here's the actual code. You can see the request body, the tools/call method, and the SSE parsing loop. This is one of the more interesting parts of the codebase, talking directly to an MCP server without any abstraction layer. The fanout engine is in Job Aggregator service. It auto-discovers every provider bean in the Spring context using dependency injection. Want to add a new job board? Implement 2 methods from the interface, annotate it with @service, and it's automatically included in every search. No manual wiring, no configuration files to update. The database is PostgreSQL 17 with the pgvector extension. Job descriptions are stored as 1536-dimension vectors using OpenAI embeddings, enabling semantic similarity search across your entire job history. The schema has over 50 tables covering jobs, career history, applications, resumes, interview rounds, contacts, AI scores, and usage logging. The keyword match scoring engine uses regex and NLP patterns to extract required skills from each job description, then intersects them against your career history skills weighted by proficiency level. This runs synchronously in milliseconds. No AI tokens, no API calls, instant. For the deeper AI features, resume tailoring, career audit, AI match scores, the system calls the Anthropic Claude API. Every call is logged with token counts and cost per user, so you always know what's being spent. There's one more piece that ties everything together: the browser extension. You're browsing LinkedIn and you spot a great role. Instead of opening a new tab, copying the URL, switching to JSI, and pasting it in, you just click the extension icon. It reads the job title, company, description, salary, and apply URL directly from the page, and saves it to your pipeline in one click. The extension has site-specific parsers for 12 job boards: LinkedIn, Greenhouse, Lever, Ashby, Workday, Smart Recruiters, Dice, Himalayas, Wellfound, ZipRecruiter, Rippling, and more. For sites without a specific parser, it falls back to JSON-LD-schema.org markup that most job boards include. It works in Chrome, Arc, Brave, and Edge today. The front end is React with Vite, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS version 4, and ShadCN UI components. Routing is React Router version 6 with a persistent sidebar layout. Auth is handled by Clerk, social login, JWT tokens, multi-tenant ready. The entire stack, front-end, back-end, and Postgres, is deployed on Railway with custom domains at getjsi.com and api.getjsi.com. JSI is live now. Try the demo at getjsi.com. Sign in with one click, no registration. Source code and links are in the description below.